अच्छा ही चल रहा होगा. अलग अलग एंट्री मारते तो प्रॉब्लम होता. नहीं नहीं, इट्स ग्रेट. इट्स गुड.
Anything changed, like any major change after like
Yeah, we are older. We are 1 year older
I
now.
don't think I'm old. I'm still young.
Sorry? I cannot comment anything right now. I'm so sorry. But when you all do see things on TV, you all will know what I'm doing. But I can't comment right now. That was a different project altogether. That project is no longer happening. But I can't speak about what is happening. Sorry? The project that I'm doing? I can't comment on that. I'm sorry. जी हम नहीं कर रहे इस साल. जी
I
नहीं.
don't think it'll be possible for
Yeah,
us.
no.
We would have loved to do that actually because of I think dates issue और थोड़ा
थोड़ा
कुछ और
dates का issue था, so
चीजें हैं.
I think we couldn't make it this year.
would we request you to do a Shah Rukh Khan and Kajol pose? Just tell us about your dress.
Oh, of course I'll tell you about my dress. So I'm wearing Roshi Chopra Designs. She's a very, very dear friend of mine, and more than that, extremely talented in so many fields. So I'm just really happy to wear it. I can never have enough of her clothes. जब भी मैं कोई भी award के लिए कहीं भी जाती हूँ, she's the first designer I think of. So if something works, it's great.
Who decides for Mohit?
Who decides?
Decides for Mohit what he will be wearing.
He's an adult. He
I
decides
have a
himself.
few pair of clothes. I just pick one and just wear it. I don't.
लगा कि वो आपके चूज करते हुए आप
नहीं.
नहीं लास्ट में परमिशन मैं जरूर लेता हूँ कि ये ठीक लग रहा है कि नहीं लग रहा है.
हाँ, that even I ask him कि maybe मैं ठीक लग रही हूँ, but it's just about that. I don't decide what he wears. He has a very good sense of dressing, and I don't need to interfere.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wonderful married life.
Thank you.
Thank
so
you.
Much.
Together on the screen soon. And as you go, have a Shah Rukh Khan Kajol pose with us.
No poses. I'm not doing any
अच्छा, आप
poses.
शाहरुख खान बने हुए थे, आइए.
मैं शाहरुख खान बनूँ.
Have a PS protest. सुनाया? Thank you so much.
इधर ले महेश
सुनाया?
तू लाइट दे मैं लगाता हूँ ठीक है तू लाइट निकाल तू लाइट लगा कर रहा है ड्रामा कर रहा है
Just last, both of you together, a pose. Smile brighter. Thank you, thank you.
This is my daughter. She's also in love with you. So help me, please. Please help me.
Yeah, I'm really sorry for whatever happened. And secondly, I don't think it's going to happen anymore. So
I'll definitely miss you there. I've been a fan since about a year now, and before I got married, I said to my wife I never watched Star Plus, but coming and watching Star Plus now, I'm a true believer. So I really, really appreciate all your efforts.
Thank you very much.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, to the gentleman over there.
Hi there, good evening. My name is Raj. I was just wondering if Salim could sing one line from R3 or something?
I think it'd be nice if you wait for it tomorrow.
Bit of a cappella. I think you did it on one of our promos, which is really good actually.
That was a problem. What do you want, Afri?
R3. Please.
Are you ready? Do you want to sing it? Do you want to sing it?
The photographer's camera.
I've had a long journey as well, you see.
यूं रूह की उंगलियों से खींची है तूने लकीरें तस्वीर है रेत की वो या जिंदगी है मेरी रे जख्मों को तूने भरा है तू मरहमों की तरह है आफरी ओ आफरी आफरी ओ आफरी आफरी ओ आफरी आफरी ओ आफरी
And there's a lot more to come tomorrow because there's going to be
be a full-on, full live band. This is why I'm looking forward to the live band, because that's live music. Okay, I think we're going to have trouble now. We've got some very, very hard-nosed fans over there.
My legs are trembling. I think I'm going to fall. I can't
Now,
do that.
Kuli, can you just hold her up, because she's going to fall any minute. And don't say, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, okay, please? Okay.
Varun, I spoke to you back in March the 16th on the Noreen show, and I screamed and I said I love you 100 times. I do love you. So yeah, I met you in May. My question is, Varun, what's your biggest prank that you've done on the set?
What is the biggest prank? What is the biggest prank that you've done on set?
No? Okay, this one is...
Kuli, I think she wants to go toilet. Oh, sorry, you have to go.
I can't remember any off of my head, and help me.
Okay, I'm going to tell her what Varun did, but I'm going to say it in short. Okay, so we were doing the scene where Varun makes me wear the pile. Okay. So whenever Varun and me do romantic scenes, we always end up laughing, and it really upsets our director and our DOP, but oh well, we can't change that. So we were doing the scene, we laughed a couple of times and finally got serious, so Varun, I had to like put my leg, lift my sari, and Varun had to make me wear the pile.
And pull it out from my blazer.
Yeah, he had to pull it out of his blazer. And so
Suddenly everyone was very serious, and I was like all, and I was also...
I was like all breathing heavy and being all romantic, and Varun pulls out a razor. and no one noticed it. To make it worse, only I did, and I started laughing, and my director was like, he said, that's it, Sana, I'm sick of this, you're always... I'm like, can no one see the razor in his hand? So,
Was it
yeah.
something to do with your hairy legs?
No. It was just a joke.
Okay, the lady in the red over there.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Komal. I'm from Coventry. My question is to Gopila Ben. I was wondering, do you meet many people with the same name? Because my mom's right there called Gopila.
There's another Kokila Ben in the green. Over there. There she is, waving at us.
कोकिला की तरफ श्री वाली कोकिला को नमस्कार और मुझे लगता है मुझसे ज़्यादा प्यारी आप लग रही हैं तो यदि स्टार प्लस कभी सोचता है कि ये कोकी को हटाना है तो पास है किसी को
We should have a double thank you very much for that.
Hi, my name is Sejal, and I wanted to ask, this question is for Varun and Sanaya, of course. What is your favorite scene together?
What's the favorite scene together? I just said... Okay. A lot of scenes actually, the both of us had a very good time because we were practically in each other's space for the last 2 years, and we've laughed like crazy and really upset everyone in the direction department and production department. So I think it's going to be unfair if I pull one out of my head and say this one is my favorite. I think majority of the stuff, she's very kind and supportive of all the romantic scenes. So thank you.
Great. Okay, we're going to have 2 more questions on there, 1 more question over there, and then I'm going to have to really cut across.
Hello, I'm really nervous, Suraj, because I'm going to ask you something.
Suraj, okay.
First thing, I really like you, and my husband, he loves Kartika, and
there's a lot of love going around here. All this husband and wife love is making me worried here.
He's coming tomorrow to watch the show, and he didn't come today, so he said, can you ask Pratigya, like say something for me? So I thought, I will, but I'm getting confused now, sorry. And Suraj, I love you. I know he loves you. I love you. And another thing, yeah, thank you. And I just want to ask Kokila Ben as well. When Gopi...
You love her as well?
Yeah. As like mother. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, and you know Gopi, she's expecting now. When she's having a baby, because it's 9 months nearly over, and she's still like that. So when the baby coming out?
Listen, we got to keep the TRPs going for a bit longer. Teledoc keeper, legs crossed. Sorry.
अच्छी आत्माएं जन्म लेने में समय लगाती है। वो गोपी बहू और अहम दिकरा का बच्चा है, तो वो समय लेकर आएगा।
I have to think about my bonus too as well, you know. But weren't you going to ask a question to Suraj? A problem he just loved you. I mean,
No, he said,
huh?
okay, he took the
Oh, he took the mic off you,
Yeah, he
silly,
said no,
silly
no,
man.
Yeah, I just want to ask you, you know, Sandhya started night school, not night college now. मैंने आपको हिंदी में बिल्कुल मेरी इंग्लिश में आपकी तरह गुड नहीं है। So संध्या ने भी नाइट कॉलेज शुरू किया, तो भाभो का क्या रिएक्शन होगा? उसको जाने देगी कि वो बीच में ही छूट जाएगा?
See, study is not in Babu's blood.
हाँ। आप चोरी चोरी जाओगे? ये पूछना चाहती हूँ। तो कैसे क्या
But I trust my mother because I believe that it's an unconditional love.
Okay.
And that's her duty.
Okay.
I have, ये भाभो पे छोड़ दिया मैंने. नहीं, actually भाभो से मैं बहुत प्यार करता हूँ और respect करता हूँ. कई बार हम ये सोच लेते हैं कि अगर हम डरते हैं तो शायद उनसे उनकी मार से डरते हैं. हालांकि बात ये है कि मैं उनकी बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करता हूँ.
Thank you. Okay.
मिठाई लाया था लेकिन एयरपोर्ट पे सिक्योरिटी वालों ने ले ली कि हम नहीं जा रहे हैं.
Okay, wait, guys, we can't get into a conversation here. We got a person over there, and okay, we got the blue girls.
We'd just like to welcome you all to the UK. Welcome. Thank you. And firstly, I want to say to Kokila and Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna. And my question is for Suraj. Can you actually cook off screen?
Yes, of course. Yes.
Would you like to cook?
So what's your favorite dish?
I was a chef.
Yeah.
Before got into this business. Yeah. Acting.
Oh, fantastic. There you go. See.
Sometimes during my shot, I get an anonymous call, and I said, "Hello." And, tell me, hurry up.